Good afternoon. I know which book is this. This is Viva Early Skill English. Okay, open the book, children, to page number 4444. Okay, now here we are going to do ug words. Ub words we did yesterday. Today we are going to do ug. So how we have to spell ug we will see after we write the date. Okay. So today's date is 1/5/15-02-2020 and the day is Tuesday. Done? Very good. Now ug. Right? Here is standing alone, g is standing alone. Now both have come together to form ug words. Okay? Both have joined together to form which kind of sound? A g ug sound. Okay. Now see, first one, hide the first letter. What is this? A g ug. Now show the first letter. What is that? B. So spell it together. B, ug, bug. Which insect is this? B, ug, bug. Very good. Next is hide the first letter. Then spell a g, ug. Now show me this first letter. What is it? H. So how do you spell it now? G, hug. Ug, hug. What is it? Ug, hug. What these friends are doing? Yes, after a long time they have met. So they hug each other, right? So when you meet somebody after a long time, then you hug each other like this, right? So it is called ug, hug. Next is, let us read, ug, ug. Now show the first letter, j, ug, jug. Yes, in which you keep water, right? I fill water in a jug, right? Now next is ug, 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 rug. Children, rug is a kind of mat used to partially cover the floor. It's just like a carpet, right? It just looks like a carpet, but it does not cover the full floor. It partially covers the floor and it is a thick, heavy fabric. So it's equivalent to carpet. So this is what is rug, rug. Next is ug, 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 mug. Ug, 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 mug. Mug is what? In your washroom, you have a bucket filled with water. Now, can you pick up the filled bucket? It will be so heavy, right? So, what do? You put this mug inside that bucket to fill the water, right? So, you can take one mug of water. So, one mug of water will be lightweight compared to the full bucket, right? So you use this mug in a washroom, right? Okay. Next, these words you have to read. Come on, read along with your ma'am. Ug, bug. Ug. Ug, bug. Ug. Ug, mug. Ug. Ug, dug. Ug, ug, pug. Ug, ug, hug. Ug, ug, rug. Ug, ug, jug. Ug, ug, tug. See, when we have a tug of war, we have two opponents each other, right? And they, what they do, खींचते हैं rope, right? तो जो पहले जोर से खींच के दूसरे ओपोनेंट को गिरा देता है, they are the winner. So that is called tug of war game, right? And you already know jug, rug also you know, hug also you know, pug. Pug is a name of a animal. You can name any animal, may it be cat or dog, anything with the name pug. Then dug. Dug is कहीं पे हम खोदते हैं ना, ज़मीन खोदते हैं, तो जब खोदता है, जैसे डॉग है ना, बोन हाइड करने के लिए खोदता है ज़मीन में और उसके अंदर वो छुपा देता है बोन को. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड डग. Then mug. Mug. You already saw here. Then bug. This is bug, the ladybug. Okay? Enjoy reading like this at home. And parents, please help your children to read and form sentences with these CBC words. Okay? Bye-bye. Take care.